101 strcmp function for string manipulation. So let's look at library function. So in the previous video we have talked about the strcat function for string manipulation. Now in this video we are going to learn about the strcmp function for string manipulation. So let's look at. C provides collection of the library function for string handling, and it is very important concept for handling the string in C language. So in this concept we will learn that how to handle the strings through different functions. So these are the strlen function, strcpy function, strcat function and strcmp function. So we have studied about the strlen function, strcpy function and strcat function. Now it's time to learn about the strcmp function and its working principle that is going to be used in the programming of C language. So let's look at strcmp function. So strcmp function work is to compare the string. Okay, its work is to compare the string in C language. It is an inbuilt function of library function for string manipulation. Okay, so I can say that strcmp function work is to compare the string. Okay, and after the comparison it gives its ASCII value, its returns value, the difference of the two strings ASCII value. Okay, now let's look at the program related to the strcmp function and how we can use and implement strcmp function for getting into the logic for the programming skills that is needed in the strcmp function. So this is going to help you to determine the concept that you are going to compare the two strings, and with the comparison of two strings you can do coding. So let's look at the program. So here is the example I am going to tell you. So let's look at. So here is the program in which I am going to deal with the strcmp function. So here this is hashtag include studio.h and this is hashtag include conio.h. So studio stands for standard input output header file and conio stands for control input output header files. So these are the two header files that I have declared. After the declaration of these two header files, you need to specify. I am just using the main function here, and in the main function, because this is going to execute, main function is going to return us void, means empty. It is not going to return us anything. Okay, after this I am opening the main function and you can see here I am using the two array here, str1 and str2 of 100 size, which is going to carry the character data type. Okay, after this I am using the clr function whose work is to clear the screen. Okay, then I am printing a message through the printf function that enter first string, so that the user can understand that they have to enter the string. Okay, then the user enter their first string, and that first string I am just going to take in the str1 variable. We can say str1 is an array, so I am going to store that thing into the str1 array with the help of gets function. Gets function is similar to the scanf function. Its actually work is to get a strings from the keyboard. Okay, after then I am just printing another message which says us that enter second strings. So the user sees this and gives the second string, and I am taking that second string in the str2. This is the plus f plus stdin. This is also a function which helps us to flush all the things that is stored in the garbage. So if there is a garbage anywhere, then it just flushes down. Okay, after then I am just containing that second string into the str2, which is an array, with the help of gets function. Okay, then I am just comparing the two strings, and this logic says that strcmp work is to compare the string. So whatever the value given by the user, suppose the user has given str1, suppose the user has given Amrit, Amrit in the str1, and in the second place they give the same thing, that is Amrit. So str1 and str2 are similar, therefore the difference of their ASCII is going to be 0. Therefore this condition is going to be same. Therefore I am writing string are same. Otherwise string are not same. So this is the concept or the logic behind the strcmp function, which we can use in our programming, because the strcmp function actually compares the two strings and finds the difference of their ASCIIs. So this is the logic working behind the scene. So this is what I can say about the strcmp function that is used in the C programming. So you can see the output here that user has into the first string as a Sandeep and the second string as a Sanjeev. So the difference of their ASCII is not returning 0. Difference of their ASCII is not returning 0. Therefore this condition becomes false, and because this condition becomes false, this statement is not going to execute, else this statement is going to execute. Therefore string are not same will be output. So this is the main working principle of strcmp function. So this was all about the library function used in the C language. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.